Are you struggling to come up with YouTube content ideas? Well, you're not alone. You're in the right place. I'm going to share 10 powerful ways to come up with fresh content ideas for your YouTube channel. And stay until the end because I will have a couple of bonus tips you won't want to miss. Hi, I'm Eleni. Welcome to my channel. I help Gen Xers and folks over 60 start and grow a successful YouTube channel and stay motivated so they can share their passion, build a community, maybe even create a new income stream. And that goes for myself as well. So if that sounds like your kind of journey, you're in the right place. So let's dive in. First, ask your audience. If you already have some subscribers or engagement on your channel, ask them directly what they'd like to learn or see more of, whether through a YouTube poll, your community tab, or in a video comment. Your audience will often give you more content ideas than you could ever come up with on your own. Number two, check your comments. Your existing videos are a gold mine. Go through the comments, see what questions are being asked or what struggles your viewers are sharing, and turn those questions into helpful videos. Repurpose successful content. Look at which videos on your channel have performed the best. You can update them with new information, approach the topic from a different angle, or turn it into a series. Don't be afraid to revisit your past successes. If this is resonating with you, please give me a yes, it is in the comments below, so I know that I am offering some value to you. Let's move on. Number four, follow social media trends. Check out trending topics on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, X, and possibly YouTube Shorts. What's everyone talking about in your niche? Ride the wave by putting your own spin on a popular content. Number five, do keyword research. Use tools like Google Trends, which is free, TubeBuddy, vidIQ, or Ask the Public to discover what people are searching for right now. This can help you create content that aligns with current interests and demands. Number six, join online communities. Hop into Facebook groups, Reddit threads, or other online forums in your niche. Read through what people are asking, what they're struggling with, and what they care about. These are real conversations that can spark highly relevant video ideas. Number seven, explore podcasts and books. Check out popular books on Amazon or trending podcast episodes in your niche. This is a goldmine. There is a wealth of information there. Look at the titles and recurring themes. Even without diving deep into each one, you'll quickly notice what topics are hot, and you can create content inspired by them. Number eight, create seasonal or holiday themed content. Holidays and seasons affect people's lives and their searches. For example, if you talk about personal finance, you could create content like how to celebrate Thanksgiving Day on a budget, or affordable travel tips, or do it yourself personalized Valentine's gifts, which are more personal. Tie your topic into the season whenever it makes sense. Number nine, share your personal stories or behind the scenes. If you've been creating content for a while and have a growing audience, people may want to know you a little better. They may want to know more about you. Share a behind the scenes vlog, your personal story, or opinions on a topic in your niche, or a family story. It builds connection and trust, and viewers love that. Number 10, look for content gaps. Search your niche on YouTube. If you find a topic that was last covered 6 or 10 years ago, but is still getting views, that's a sign that it's evergreen and in demand, but maybe outdated. Update it with your fresh take, and you could fill a gap and attract views. If you're still here, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Please hit that like button, and here are your bonus tips as promised. Bonus tip number one, study different channel sizes. Look at 3 types of channels in your niche. Look for different sizes of channels, from ones with a few views to medium views to millions of views and everything in between. Each will offer different types of content strategies and audience engagement. Use their ideas as inspiration, then make them your own with your unique voice and message. And bonus tip number 2, use ChatGPT. Yep, that's right. I love ChatGPT. Use a tool like ChatGPT to brainstorm content ideas. Just type, give me 10 YouTube video ideas for a channel about whatever your topic or your niche is. And I will leave that prompt in the description below for you so you don't have to go searching for it. You might be surprised at the creative ideas that pop up. Take the ones that resonate and turn them into your next great video. So there you have it, 10 proven strategies plus 2 bonus ideas to help you never run out of content inspiration again. There's inspiration all around us. We just have to be open to it, and it will find us. If this was helpful, check out the videos linked right here, and they'll help you grow faster and stay inspired. Thank you so much for watching. I'm cheering you on in your YouTube journey, and I will see you in the next one.